Pretty simple, pretty easy. I put the sound I choose, it was the grifo in my mother's bathroom that has this dripping that I love it. The other thing you can do is the three of you start at the same time. Like this, I use the same phrases. So you can do something like this. Right? Pretty simple. Again, I put it at the end, my sound. Or the other thing is you can just mix it freely. You know, mix, sorry, the words and put it in a different way as you planned. So like this. So pretty easy, pretty simple. You have like 10 minutes, maybe a little more. Just combine them.